Ready in 10 minutes. No yeast, no oven, very easy to make and absolutely delicious. The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar below. To a bowl, add all-purpose flour, sugar, freshly grated nutmeg, baking powder, and mix together until well combined. Now let's add the wet ingredients. Add egg and evaporated milk. Mix together until well combined. At this point, add the rest of the evaporated milk. I added the milk in bits to ensure I get the perfect texture to achieve the end result, which is fluffy on the inside. If you don't want to use evaporated milk, feel free to use coconut milk or water. Once the batter is ready, allow to rest for 5 minutes. To a pot with oil, add the batter like so. Fry on medium heat for around 5 minutes. At intervals, flip to ensure that all sides are fried uniformly. And once it is ready, remove from the heat and enjoy. Absolutely delicious and irresistible. Thank you so much for watching if you've watched the video up to this point. And until next time, remain blessed.